This is a remote control shark. We can control this shark with this remote. At first we need to install the battery here. This is the battery. I already installed 2 dry cell battery in this remote. Remote control on. When I keep this shark in water, it automatically connect with remote. Here is 2 joystick. If we press this joystick, it turn on right. When you press this right joystick, it will turn on left. This button is automatically programmable button, and you can see that automatically run in water. As it runs on water, it must be waterproof.